Carrot puree is a very nutritious first baby food. Let's learn how to make it. For 1 cup of carrot puree, take 2 carrots, wash them and peel them. Peel and slice the carrots in small cubes, which makes it easy to boil the carrots. Next, pour them in a pan and add some water and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Check with a knife or with a spoon if the carrot cubes are soft. Add a little water to the carrot cubes and blend them in a puree form in a blender. Your perfect carrot puree is ready. It's soft and creamy. Don't add any salt and sugar if your baby is less than 1 year of age. Follow us for more of such baby recipes. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.